Hey there, in this video I'm going to compare the TP-Link RE200 versus the TP-Link RE305, and I'm going to share with you some important things that you need to know. So regards the standard protocols, the better is 305. Then also when you're going to look here on the button, you're going to have VPS button, but that's something that you don't have for 200. Then also the power consumption is better for 200, dimension is better for 305. Antenna, you're gonna have 3 internal and 2 external. So you can see right here, this is going to be internal, and here you're gonna have a 305 external. Then signal rate, as we can see right here, so the signal rate is better for 305, like 5GZ up to 800. So if you're looking for 5GZ, the speed is better for 305. Then reception sensitivity is better for 305, transit power better for RE200, and then wireless functions you're gonna have more for 305. Then that's pretty much it. So other things are tied, but these are the most important things, primarily the 5GZ that you're gonna have up to 867 megabytes per second. So just want to make this quick video for you where I just like compare these two products specs for you, and have a great day and goodbye.